Hello everybody, my name's Greg and welcome to another episode of Poppy's 3D Prints. Today we're going to be looking at Easter egg holders that I printed out for my granddaughter. And as usual, there's going to be 5 of them and the links will be put in the description for all the models. Now the first one we're going to be looking at is the old Ferrero Rocher holder. As you can see from this one here, nice easy print. Now this is printed on the Iligu Neptune 4 Max, printed a whole in there at the same time, and the old Ferrero Rocher just popped straight in there, and away you go. Now, so they did print out a whole heap of different colour ones, just to go out, make sure they had to go out and buy a whole pack of the Ferrero Rocher. I don't know if my granddaughter will get those, or the wife or daughter will actually take them. Now, the next one is another one for the old Ferrero Rocher. Once again, printed out a whole heap of these on the old Iligu Neptune 4 Max, and in all different colours. All you need to do at the end of the day, just unscrew him, or take him off, and there you go. They just pop straight in, lid goes straight on, and way nice and easy. You can, which is actually quite good, you can actually mix and match the colours if you wish. Look, there's one a little bit tighter, whack him in there, and then as I said, just whack that on there, and add the blue with the yellow, or whatever colours you want to mix and match with. Once again, quite good. All right, the next one is this little big fella here. Nice and easy, whole heap of the legs. And now, I actually quite like this translucent PLA colour that actually comes through with all the sparkles on it. That looks actually quite good. Now, I did actually print out 2 of them so that she can have lots of little Easter eggs there, and she just puts little hands in there, pulls out the little egg, and away she goes. I think that might be her favourite because it's going to be jam-packed full of eggs. Now, next one, which I actually quite like, a little bunny rabbit here. Now these are printed out in 3 different sections. I've printed this on the Cubic K3 Max. You don't need a name to print these. The eyes are printed out differently, just glue them in. And once again, the rabbits and the bowl are also printed separately, and they just glue together. And once again, you put nice whole heap of eggs in there, and she'll go there. Now, lucky last one, which I think is actually my favourite, is the old Big Brick Man Easter Bunny rabbit. He's actually quite cute. You do need to print this on the aims, to the head and the chest. The basket comes apart as usual, all clicks together, nice and easy, with the eggs inside it. And obviously, as you know, Big Brick Man legs, it's all articulated, the head will move around the place, arms move, which is actually quite good. I actually love this little fella. He just stands there and she can just come up and take eggs off out of the basket as usually required. Well, that's it for another episode of Poppy's 3D Prints. Please make sure that you click the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you next time on Poppy's 3D Prints.
Here you go, my granddaughter.